Arrive in style with this 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4WD type, part-time, ABS, 4-wheel, air conditioning, manual, antenna type, fixed, aspiration, normal, audio system, AM/FM stereo, O engine cooler, regular, O transmission cooler, regular and clock. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.